I need you to go over to your YouTube studio right now and fix this particular channel setting. Now, once you fix this setting, it's going to change the narrative for your channel. You start to have views, watch hours, subscribers. YouTube will start to push out all of your videos, not just one, all of your videos in front of the people that actually need them. Do you know it is possible for you to fix certain settings in your studio, and because of that your channel will just automatically change for the better? And remember that I've always said it, that in 2026 you must get monetized. That's the reason whatever way I know is going to really help you to get to your monetization threshold, I'll be bringing it up here. No gatekeeping. So you want to follow through with me step by step, and I'm going to come back at the end of the video to show you the final thing that's going to help cushion all of this together, so you can actually get the views that your channel deserves. Before we continue, let me just show you something interesting. So this is one of my videos, right, that I uploaded on the 5th of January. Now let me just go ahead and tap on this video performance just so that you see something. Now I'll go ahead to tap on what? On reach. Okay, so once I tap on reach, just follow through with me. Okay, if we scroll down, you can see impressions, how viewers found this video. All right, you can see external sites, WhatsApp, blah blah blah, Telegram. Now look at this place that says YouTube search term. YouTube search term. You can see what is the most there. You can see Glory C has 23.1%. Now people can see this Glory C because I actually optimized this in a way. Do you understand? And I'm going to also show you how to do that. Now if you look at the content suggesting my video, you can see 3 of my contents are part of it, and my own content has the main this thing. You can see 5.5% here, 3.4% before it now has this one that's 2.1%. And if this is your first time here, hi and welcome. I'm Glory C, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow and get monetized fast, the right way, that's organically, by telling you mistakes you want to avoid and strategies that you want to imbibe, so you can easily get to your monetization threshold. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge. And do not forget to give us a very big thumbs up on this particular video, so you can get to a lot more content creators like us. With that being said, let's go fix that particular channel setting. The first thing you want to do is to go over to your Chrome browser. This is what you want to type in. You want to type in 10 most successful YouTubers in my niche. So instead of in my niche, you're going to put in the YouTube growth niche, in the weight loss niche, in the make money niche. Do you understand? So you want to type in, make it very specific. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and type it in right now. So can you see it right here? And then you go ahead and send it. Then the thing is, Google is going to go ahead and bring up different YouTubers who are in your niche, okay, that are doing so well. So you can see here, can you see Mr. Beast, vidIQ, Think Media, Ali Abdal, Robert Blake, blah blah blah, all of these people, TubeBuddy, and these are people that are actually doing so well in my niche. So what you want to do is to go ahead and copy the names of 10 of these people that you are very sure that these people do exactly what you do in your niche. Now the next thing you want to do once you have copied this is to go over to this particular app known as Binge, B-I-N-G. Once you are on this particular app, what you want to do is to tap on the search bar that's right here. So you want to now type in, write me SEO optimized and friendly keywords based on the YouTube growth niche. Okay, and then you just go ahead and search. Remember, you already have the names of 10 most successful YouTubers in your own niche. Then you allow this one, Copilot, to also help you generate this. So you can see it has already listed. You can see full content, core keywords. Okay, you can see long tail keywords. In case you do not know, there are keywords like this. There's a long tail keywords, there's a core keywords. Do you understand? See trending and engagement keywords. So what you want to do is to just go ahead and copy everything. Remember that we are going somewhere. Before we continue, I already said it that 2026 is going to be a year where I take the knowledge I pass on to people very seriously. So if you're out here, you already started on YouTube, but you've been struggling, or you're just about to start, or you're just having difficulties with one thing or the other as regards your YouTube growth. Now, it is possible for a lot of people not to have enough finances to buy courses, sign up for one-on-one sessions, because I actually take one-on-one sessions, I take courses and all of that. If you do not have money for that, you want to leverage general classes. The good thing about general classes is because a number of people will be taking the class together, the amount is usually subsidized. So, for example, a class that's supposed to be 20,000 naira or 30 or 40,000 naira can be as low as 9,000 naira, 10,000 naira. Now, there are cogent information that surrounds YouTube growth that I cannot actually come here on my videos to just film. If not, my videos will be extremely long. So I decided to organize a 3-day class. Now, this particular 3-day class is going to be holding on the 25th January. If you've been struggling with your growth on YouTube, do not miss this particular class. To sign up or to get more details on it, you want to check the pinned comment of this particular video, and I'll see you in class. Once you copy everything, just paste them in your phone notepad and do the next thing that I'm about to show you. You want to now go over to your Chrome browser or your Safari, whatever browser you use on your phone. Just basically go over to the desktop version of your YouTube studio. All right, now this is me here on my desktop version. Okay, so let me just zoom in so you can see clearly. You want to just go down here. All right, you're going to see setting down here. This is it right here. Just tap on setting. Once you see setting, what you want to tap on is channel. Okay, I just hope you can see this clearly. You want to tap on channel. Now, if you look at mine, you can see that I have very necessary keywords here. Note something, most of those things that I already have on my notepad, I have them here. Then you will see that I also have the names of subscribers that are doing so well in my niche. Now I can decide to go ahead and type in more of those ones that are doing so well that I did not even put here. So what I'm going to do is to just come here, just copy the keywords. Now come here and then type in all of those keywords. Type everything into this particular place. Do you understand? Then what you now want to do is to type in all of those names of the most successful YouTubers that you already got. Now, when you type those names, ensure you include your own name. Remember that I told you a lot of people found my own videos by searching my own name. So what you want to do is you also want to put in your own name. If you look at it, the very first one you can see here is my own name. So these are part of the things that your most successful YouTubers are using to actually thrive well on their channel. So let's assume a person now types in the name of one of those successful YouTubers. Your own videos too, amongst that person's videos, your own videos too would pop up as long as it is someone in your own niche. Do you understand? Now, after you must have done that, you see those keywords that you copied. What you want to now do is to use those keywords to form sentences. How do you do this? Just copy all of those keywords and take them to ChatGPT, paste them there, and tell ChatGPT that using these keywords for my channel, generate for me a channel description. All right, now once it generates it for you, I'm going to show you exactly where you want to paste this. You come back here again to your desktop version of your YouTube studio, then scroll here to where you have these icons here on the left menu. All right, so you tap on this one that looks like a magic wand. Okay, just tap on it. All right, it's going to load up this particular back end of your channel. So what you want to do is to just scroll down to where you have description. All right, you want to now go ahead and paste it here where you can see my own. I'm Glory C, a passionate teacher, you blah 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 blah. I have a number of things down there. So you want to go ahead and paste that sentence or all those sentences inside your description. Guys, once you do this, the thing is, it is going to help your entire channel to be SEO optimized, such that the algorithm already would understand exactly what your channel is about. So when you post any video, especially when you post any video from your desktop version, if you do not post the video from your desktop version, it might not really be very effective. But when you upload your video from your desktop version, it's going to carry all of these things. But then some people usually have issues with posting their videos from this desktop version. What you can just do basically is, when you copy the sentences, all right, generated from ChatGPT, what you want to now do is to paste them on a particular place on your notepad, so that each time you upload your video from that plus icon, you just go ahead to the description of that video and paste it there. Do you understand? The description of that particular video and paste it there, so that all of your videos will be SEO optimized for search, for YouTube recommendation, for suggested videos, for up next, for all of those browse features on your channel, and you're going to see how that you start to get more views, more watch hours, and of course the more views you get would equate to more subscribers on your channel and more watch hours on your channel. I hope this helps you. Do not forget to watch this particular video where I shared a lot of vital information that will help you on your channel growth journey, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.